a little impromptu video because I'm going to show you a new product I just discovered. It actually just launched that is easily one of the best products of the year in my opinion because it's so different from anything else that is out there right now. No, this is not sponsored, but I'm just very impressed, and I'm super impressed that this is such a timely release of a product during a time when I am obsessed with skincare peptides. If you've been following me along on my channel, you know I've done a huge scientific deep dive into peptides and how they work, and then just reviewing all kinds of products. Well, a new peptide serum just launched. It is unlike any of the other ones in my other videos or that's currently in my routine. So my entire routine is changing to incorporate this product. So I'm taking you along with me right now to do my new routine with this new product, which is, drum roll please, Peptide Squad by Maelove, which is one of my favorite clean skincare brands. So let me show you how I use this and I'll tell you why this is so different. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Maelove. I am the budget dermatologist. I help you fix your skin and tell you exactly what products to buy that actually work. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. So peptides in your routine are so important because they can be an absolute game changer for anti-aging, for building collagen, and they stand out so much from your other common ingredients that we use for these things like vitamin C and retinoids because peptides are so much less irritating. They are so much more tolerated by a wider variety of skin tones and skin types. So if you have really sensitive skin, you're getting up there in years and you're really interested in anti-aging, peptides. Do not skip out on peptides. So Peptide Squad is so different and so unlike any other peptide serum that is out there right now because this actually has 4 categories of peptides all in this single serum product. I'm gonna put this down. I need to start washing my face because I am in a hurry. So I'm going to multitask here. First, you can see I have a lot of makeup on. We are using the Versed Cleansing Balm Day Dissolve. This is like my favorite one. Let's take a little bit of that. Okay, so the reason this Maelove serum is so different and so unlike any other out there is because 4 categories of peptides. So the first category it contains is copper. Copper peptides. Specifically, this has copper tripeptide 1 in it. And copper is just something that you guys ask me about all the time on my channel. Copper is so good to help rebuild the skin. It can break down scar tissue, remodel the skin. It can produce antioxidants. It can produce collagen. It acts as an antioxidant on the skin and is anti-inflammatory. So copper peptides are extremely beneficial for the skin. The second category of peptides that's in the Peptide Squad by Maelove is Matrixyl 3000, which is hands down my favorite peptide of all the peptides to put in skincare products. It is a complex of 2 types of peptides, which I will list on the screen here. And it is the most researched peptide to build collagen in the skin. And also the way Matrixyl 3000 is complex, they are lipophilic, which means they can cross the skin barrier and get down deep into the skin, into the dermis, where it can do its job. So Matrixyl 3000 is in this product. It's actually a patented form of peptides that you can find in various other peptide serums out there. I've talked about this on my channel before. When I've recommended other peptide serums, I say, hey, check the ingredients label and make sure it has Matrixyl 3000 in it. And that's what this one does. So that passes my test there. All right, so I'm gonna get all this eye makeup off and rinse before I tell you the 3rd and 4th most important peptides in this product. Okay, so the makeup is off. We are continuing with step 1 of this routine. Step 1, part 2, because I'm double cleansing. So I used my oil-based cleansing balm. Next, you're going in with the gentle cleanser. I'm using this one by Versed. This is the antioxidant cleanser, but use whatever gentle cleanser works for you. I think Maelove has a cleanser too, but I have not tried that one. If you've tried it, comment below. If it's good, maybe I'll try that next. But we're cleansing still. Okay, so the other key peptide in this product is argireline. And there's another one, acetohexapeptide 8. I don't know, I'm gonna look again. I'm gonna list it on the screen here. But these 2 peptides, you can think of these like Botox in a bottle. I don't know why I did air quotes weird like that, Botox in a bottle, because these are the peptides that actually interfere with the neural muscular connection. So when you go to contract your facial muscles, to do your facial expressions like raise your eyebrows and you see all those wrinkles, the peptides in this bottle actually help soften that so it cannot contract as hard, which is exactly what Botox does. It paralyzes those muscles so they can't contract and they can't form wrinkles. That's why it's so effective. So this works similar, but it's not as strong, obviously, as Botox, but it's actually in this product. Okay, let me rinse this off. Clean skin club towels are an essential part of my routine. If you do not have skincare towels, you should check these out. I'm linking these below. They're amazing. They're like bamboo, super soft, absorbent. Okay, so we're on to step 2 of the routine, which is the fun part, using your new Maelove Peptide Squad product. Okay, so step 2, we're going to apply this to the face now. Back to the 4 powerhouse peptides in this: copper, matrix L3000, the argireline, and the acetyl peptide 8. I'm gonna look that one up. The Botox in a bottle. So basically, my point here is that this contains peptides to fix 2 types of wrinkles: your dynamic wrinkles and your wrinkles at rest, or your static wrinkles, which is so rare to find 2 types of peptides to fix both of those types of wrinkles in one bottle, but this has it. Let me show you this now. The 4th powerhouse peptide in this is rice peptides, which helps prevent your body from breaking down your collagen as quickly, help rebuild collagen. So those are your 4 powerhouse peptides all in this one serum. It is packed. This is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. I'm not exactly sure what ingredient in here makes it this blue color, but it's kind of cool. So let's apply this to the face. So 1 dropper full and right to the face. You can see this is thin, very lightweight, and it is very quickly absorbent into the skin. Now, one of the things that is kind of unique about this that I've noticed since I've been using it is it is so hydrating for a serum. Usually serums that are containing or full of active ingredients are not necessarily like meant to be super hydrating, but this is so hydrating, so much so that I only will use really lightweight moisturizers paired after this, which I'm going to show you in a second. The other thing I will note about this is that it kind of has a smell almost like, I don't know, like flour maybe, like baking flour. But there's a lot of other key ingredients in this besides your 4 powerhouse peptides. And that is what also makes this product so unique and so amazing. So this has packed full of antioxidants. So we're gonna take a pause right now and I'm gonna ask you a very important question. What antioxidants are in your routine? If you don't know, if you cannot answer that question immediately, like stop what you're doing, subscribe to my channel. We need to sort you out because antioxidants are crucial. Here's why and here's what's happening. You go out into the world, UV damage, environmental stressors, all this other stuff creates free radicals on the skin. Free radicals activate certain enzymes in your skin that break down collagen. So the more free radicals you have, the quicker you are losing collagen and the older you will look. So you want to get antioxidants on your skin because they will scavenge these free radicals away and it will slow down your breakdown of collagen. Examples of antioxidants: vitamin C, copper peptides. There are so many. Botanicals, which are in this product, packed full of antioxidants. I will list it out on the screen, some other examples of what else is in this product for antioxidants. So that is amazing. This also has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, bisabolol, off the top of my head from what I remember. It's an amazing, oh, the other really, this is important. This is why it feels so amazing on the skin and so hydrating. This has, I said hyaluronic acid, but it also has natural moisturizing factors and ceramide in it. So ceramide and natural moisturizing factors are made naturally in our skin, and that's what helps seal our skin barrier and hold water in and keep it so nice and hydrated. So you're adding this right back into your skin and repairing your skin barrier, if you will. So all of that in this one serum. It is so unique. No other peptide serums that I've tried are like this. Prove me wrong in the comments if you found something else that's packed with these 4 powerhouse peptide categories and all those other key players, let me know. I love options and I love telling you guys about it, but this is so unique. So we just finished step 2. We let it dry. Now we're going to follow it up with a moisturizer, which has to be lightweight because this is so hydrating. You don't want to overdo it or be too heavy on the skin. I'm going in with the Burst Weekend Glow Moisturizer because 1, it's super nice and lightweight, and 2, this has vitamin C in it as well, so a little extra antioxidants and brightening there, and you just need a thin layer. Now, if you're doing this routine in the morning, which I do recommend because of the antioxidants, you're gonna really help boost your anti-aging potential there. Your last step, step 4, is going to be sunscreen SPF. This is actually one of my favorite sunscreens of the year. It's a new product, I think, or at least it's new to me. It's by Naked Sundays. This is a collagen tinted 100% mineral sunscreen. You can see here, and it is so effective. It blends nicely in the skin. So that is your step 4. I didn't actually mean to apply this to my skin because it is the end of the day for me, but hey, now you get to see what this looks like on the skin. So you can do this peptide serum in your skincare routine in the morning or at night. I like to use mine in the morning. If you use it at night, you can do it on nights that you take a break from your retinoid product, if that's in your routine, or potentially, let's talk about layering these products. Now, usually, okay, going back, usually I would do another layer of sunscreen, but I didn't even mean to do this first layer, so I'm not gonna go in with another layer now, but you can see how nicely that blends in, nice little glow. So that is Naked Sundays. Everything I'm using in this routine is going to be linked below, but let's talk about layering this. Now, this contains copper peptides, but this is chelated with a molecule that stabilizes it and prevents that copper from interacting with vitamin C and oxidizing it or breaking it down or interacting with retinols or retinoids, for example. So actually, this is safe to layer with other skincare ingredients. I know some of you love to do that. I prefer to alternate, not layer. But if you're layering, here is how I would do it. Step 1, gentle cleanser, whatever that means to you. Step 2, you're gonna go in with this first, then layer of this, and then your step 3 is going to be your vitamin C serum next. This is also by Maelove, the Glow Maker. This is your little SkinCeutical CE Ferulic dupe. That is amazing. It contains L-ascorbic acid, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, and makes your skin super glowy. I get tons of comments from you guys after my recommendation video I did on this one that your skin's glowing and you love it. So this is an amazing product. This one's gonna be linked below too, but I like to put this first to give your skin a nice buffer before you put this on to prevent or decrease your chances of getting any irritation there. And then moisturizer, sunscreen if you need it at night. Now, you can also layer this at night with your retinoid product. So whichever retinoid product you have, this goes on first, your retinoid product on next, and then a good hydrating moisturizer. If it were at night, I would not use this one. I would be using probably this one, La Roche-Posay Double Repair, but the gel form. There is a cream form of this, but I'm going lightweight, so the gel form, that's kind of probably what I would use at night. So those are your 2 options for a routine there. One where you're using it alone, the other one where you can actually layer it. Now, Maelove, like I said, is one of my favorite clean skincare brands. This, I have a whole video on this budget retinol serum. So this contains retinaldehyde, which is the strongest form of retinoid you can get over the counter without a prescription. That's a mouthful. It's not what I use because I use something a little bit stronger. Oh, here it is. Obviously, it's always out on my counter because I'm always using it. This is what I use, but it's kind of pricey. And this is a budget option that also contains retinaldehyde, which this has. This also has retinaldehyde. It's a little more affordable. If you just want something different, more of like a serum, I don't know. I have a whole video on this one. I'm gonna also link that below. So that's an amazing serum, this one. And then there's also another one of my favorites from Maelove, the Fade Away. This has alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, licorice root extract, some botanicals in it. And this is going to help fade dark spots. So Maelove has it going on with their serums. I think most of their serums on their website are under $40. But this one, the newest one by Peptide Squad, is like $47.95, so it's a little more pricey. Their other ones are more on price range like on the same level as drugstore serums, to be honest. This one's just a little bit more, but it, oh my goodness, is packed full of all those ingredients. So it is really, really worth it. So this gets the Budget Dermatologist stamp of approval. That was a blitz, but I am so excited about this. It's so rare that a new product comes out that's actually way different than anything else you can find, because the skincare realm is so saturated. But this product is easily, hands down, one of my probably top 3 favorite products all year long. So I'm linking this below. Check it out. Comment below too. If you try this, you like it, let me know what you think of it. Come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. But first, subscribe before you click out of here. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.